What is Ethereum 2.0? Ethereum 2.0 is a long awaited upgrade to the Ethereum network that's promised significant improvements to the functionality and experience of the network as a whole. Some of the more notable upgrades includes a shift to proof of stake, shared coins, and a new blockchain at the core called the Beacon chain. All of this and more is expected to be phased in through a carefully planned roadmap. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. With Ethereum being one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the planet, there are important details to what Ethereum 2.0 truly is and how it will impact the crypto's ways as a whole. Introduction. Since the release of Ethereum, the development of new technologies in the form of decentralized application and other blockchains has greatly expanded. More importantly, many of these technologies have been built on top of the Ethereum network. Think of some of the biggest innovations of decentralized finance. A significant portion of them are running on top of Ethereum. Unfortunately, scalability issues started to emerge as the number of transactions increased on the Ethereum network. So did the cost of performing these transactions, which are paid in gas. If Ethereum is supposed to be the platform that users in the next generations on the internet, the economics have to make sense, otherwise it becomes impractical to use. That's where Ethereum 2.0 comes in. The proposed Ethereum 2.0 upgrades to the Ethereum networks are supposed to address primarily the scalability issue. These improvements will create a contrast to the existing version of Ethereum, all of which will be rolled out through a carefully planned roadmap. What is Ethereum 2.0? Ethereum 2.0, aka Ethereum 2 or Serenity, is the long awaited upgrade of the Ethereum network that promises, among other things, to improve the network's scalability through the implementation of several enhancements. Speed, efficiency, and scalability should be improved without sacrificing security and decentralization. The version of Ethereum has always been on the horizon, but it's taken some years to roll out. The primary reason for this is that scaling a blockchain in a secure and decentralized way is a challenging task. Thankfully, Ethereum 2.0 aims to solve this issue through the implementation of some very important features. These new features create several key differences between the Ethereum we know and the Ethereum we should expect. Differences between Ethereum and Ethereum 2.0. The biggest difference between Ethereum and Ethereum 2.0 involves the use of the proof of stake, consensus mechanism, shared coins, and the Beacon chain. Let's take a look at these differences in more detail. Proof of stake. Proof of work, POW, is Ethereum's way of keeping the network secure and up to date by rewarding miners to create and validate blocks on the blockchain. Unfortunately, POW is not scalable since it demands an increasing amount of computing power as the blockchain grows. Proof of stake, POS, solves this by replacing computer power with skin in the game. That's to say, as long as you have a minimum of 32 Ethereum, you can commit it, that is, stack it, become a validator, and get paid by confirming transactions. If you would like to get a deeper dive into how POS and stacking works. Sharding. Anyone who wants to access the Ethereum network must do so through a node. A node stores a copy of the entire network, which means the node has to download, compute, store, and process every single transaction since the beginning of Ethereum's existence. While a user don't necessarily have to run a node just to transact, this slows everything down. Shard coins are just like any other blockchain, except they only contain specific subset of one whole blockchain. This helps nodes by only having to manage a slice or shred of the Ethereum network. This should increase transaction throughput and Ethereum's overall capacity. The Beacon chain. With shard coins working in parallel, some things got to make sure they all stay in sync with one another. Well, the Beacon chain take care of that by providing consensus to all the shared coins running in the parallel. The Beacon chain is a brand new blockchain that plays a central role in Ethereum 2.0. Without it, information sharing between shards wouldn't be possible and scalability would be non-existent. For this reason, it's been stated that it will be the first future shipped on the road to Ethereum 2.0. The road to Ethereum 2.0. The rollout of Ethereum 2.0 won't come all at once. Instead, it will be released in three phases, each of which accompanies distinct features to ensure the success of the new Ethereum. Phase 0. The first phase or phase 0 will be dedicated to the release of the Beacon chain. Since it's central of the functionality of shared coins, there won't be shared coins just yet, but the Beacon chain will begin accepting validators that is packaged through a one-way deposit contract. It's important to note that all registered validators who stack their Ethereum won't be able to unstack until shard coins are fully implemented. That means Ethereum from validators will be locked up until the next phase. Ethereum 2 deposit contract reached the required minimum of 524 to 88 Ethereum to launch. Phase 0 begins on the 1st December 2020. Phase 1 of 1.5. The next phase is actually a mix of two phases, phase 1 and phase 1.5. Phase 1 will be introduce shard coins, which will allow validators to create blocks on the blockchain through POS. Phase 1.5 is when Ethereum's mainnet will officially introduce the shard coins and begins transitioning away from POW to POS. Phase 1 of 1.5 is expected to roll out during 2021. Phase 2. The final phase will be phase 2, which is when Ethereum 2.0 will support fully formal shards and become the official Ethereum network. Shard coins will be able to work with smart contracts as well, allowing developers of dApps and other technologies to integrate seamlessly with Ethereum 2.0. Phase 2 is expected to roll out in 2021 or later. Closing thought. Ethereum 2.0 is an important upgrade to the Ethereum network for a number of reasons, especially when it comes to scalability. Without the new feature of POS, shard coins and the Beacon chains, Ethereum could eventually become unsustainable and no longer the leading smart contract platform in the crypto ecosystem. The rollout of Ethereum 2 will take some time, and it may even take longer than expected. The good news is it's already well underway. Ethereum developers are dedicated to seeing it through. Still,